Hello, AP Computer Science Principal students, and welcome to another beautiful day in digital learning of computer science. We are going to go ahead and get started. Listen for your name, acknowledge your presence. All right, let's go ahead and do our question of the day. Question of the day from March 25th and March 26th. An alarm company records the number of times each door is opened and closed. The alarm cannot be set if a door is still open. How can the alarm company code this option in their software? You're going to select the two best answers. Option A, if the door count multiplied by 2 gives an odd number, then the door is open. Option B, if door mod 2 equal 1, then the door is open. C, if the number of times the door is open does not equal the number of times it is closed, then the door is open. D, if the quotient of dividing the door count by 2 is an even number, then the door is open. Go ahead and take a moment, study your answer choices, pause this video if you need additional time. Remember, you're selecting the two best answers. Okay, did you come up with options B and C as the correct options? If one variable counts the number of door openings and closings, then modular math, which gives the remainder after division, can determine if a number is even or if it's odd. An odd number would mean a door is open. Option C uses two variables for the same door, one to count the number of times the door opened and the other records the number of times it's closed. If these are not the same, then the door is open and the alarm cannot be set. Remember to go into It's Learning, look for question of the day for March 25th, 26th, and record B and C as the right options. Just a reminder about office hours and assignments. Office hours are available during Rater time in the Google Meet classroom. I'm also available to you from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. via the It's Learning Messenger. Just send me a message and I will get right back with you. Due dates on assignments are helped to keep you on track. You will not be penalized for late assignments. I will be putting zeros into the gradebook though, and I will replace them as soon as you get the assignment turned in. Overview for March 25th and 26th, we've got question of the day, which we just did. Make sure that you read the feedback on your computational artifact and written responses to see if you need to resubmit. You're either getting 100, and I put the feedback in that I can't comment on quality, but if you got the 100, that means it's going to be acceptable for you to submit to College Board. Or you got a 0 and I've asked you to resubmit for one reason or another, so make sure you're reading that feedback and getting that taken care of. We're going to go ahead and start Unit 8 today, and Unit 8 is our final unit for the semester, and Unit 8 is going to be on computational data, in particular big data. So you are to go into Unit 8 and read the section on computational data, which is actually a slideshow. Read the section on what is big data, and then you're going to watch a couple of videos. You're going to watch the video, What is Big Data? And I have given you the YouTube link here, but the video is embedded in Unit 8, and you can just go to mrsrush.net, look for our class, go to Unit 8. You're also going to watch the video, The Future of Big Data with Kenneth Coutier, and that video is a TED Talk and it's embedded into the lesson. And then just an update again on the AP test for 2020. It is only going to be your Create and your Explore performance task for the AP exam. There is going to be no multiple choice questions. So my goal is next week to start uploading to the digital portfolio. I know I've been saying that for a couple months now that we were going to upload to the digital portfolio, but it's really going to happen next week. You'll see it on Monday as one of our assignments. All right, so you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for listening to the daily overview. Let me know if you have any questions.